Beatles bed. The Beatles bed. Beatles. And there's a guitar right there. Oh, and there's a star right there. Oh, the purple one. Look at these giant copper pots. Look at those things. Freaking. Those are really cool. Competition volleyball court all covered up. Freaking pond with the waterfall. So my dad gets to come work every day, planting those flowers and tilling up these beds and shit. Pretty freaking cool. Oh, there's a little island. He tells me about this, but I don't get to see it. Yeah. This is cool. And that runs all the way down. Where does this run down to? To another waterfall.
It's not on right now, but that pond down there has one of them big giant fountains like the big hotels have and shit that shoots up like 20 feet in the air.
Oh my god. You guys seeing all this? It's just crazy.